Welcome to another intermediate esl-lounge reading lesson video. Today we will be reading about different attitudes towards money and 4 personal philosophies on how to save and spend it. Let's begin with some vocabulary. Accumulate, to gradually get more and more of something, such as money or possessions. Anxiety, a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease about something. Cautious, careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. Consumer culture, a society that encourages people to buy and use a lot of goods. Enrich, to improve the quality of something by adding to it. Footprint, a measure of the amount of harm that an activity causes to the environment. Intentionality, the quality of being done on purpose, deliberate. Minimalist, a person who chooses to live with only the things that they really need. Paradoxically, in a way that seems strange or impossible because it has 2 opposite features. Portion, a part or share of something larger. Reassuring, making you feel less worried or anxious. Security, the state of feeling safe, stable, and free from worry. Now you know the key words. Let's read the texts. You are going to read 4 personal philosophies about money. Read them carefully to understand each person's attitude and values. Afterwards, you will answer 10 questions to check your understanding of each philosophy. Okay, let's start with text A. Chloe. For me, money is primarily a tool for creating memorable experiences. I have never understood the point of accumulating wealth just for the sake of it. I prioritize spending on things like travel, concerts, and meals out with friends. These are the things that enrich my life and create lasting happiness, whereas material possessions often lose their appeal quickly. I work hard so that I can enjoy my life now, not at some distant point in the future. I believe that a life rich in experiences is far more valuable than a large bank balance. End of text A. Let's continue. Liam. My main financial goal is to achieve long-term security. I am a dedicated saver, and I automatically transfer a significant portion of my salary into a savings account each month. I find the process of watching my savings grow very reassuring. It gives me a sense of control and preparedness for any unexpected events, like losing my job or a medical emergency. Some of my friends think I am too cautious, but for me, having a solid financial safety net is the most important thing. It allows me to live without constant financial anxiety. End of text B. Let's continue. Maya. I view money as a resource that should be put to work. Simply letting it sit in a savings account, where it earns very little interest, seems like a wasted opportunity to me. I spend a lot of time researching and investing in stocks and shares. It is a risk, of course, and you have to be prepared to lose from time to time, but the potential for growth is far greater. My aim is to build my wealth actively, not just preserve it. I see it as a strategic game, and I get a lot of satisfaction from making smart investment decisions that pay off. End of text C. Let's continue. Ben. A few years ago, I decided to adopt a minimalist lifestyle. This means I try to live with only the things I truly need. Before I buy anything, I ask myself if it will genuinely add value to my life. As a result, I spend very little and have a much smaller environmental footprint. This philosophy is not about being cheap. It is about intentionality. By rejecting consumer culture, I have found I have more time and mental energy for what is actually important, like my relationships and my hobbies. Living with less has, paradoxically, given me more. Okay, time for a few questions to check your understanding. Question 1. Which person sees money as a way to protect themselves against future problems? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B. Liam. The text says his savings give him a sense of control and preparedness for any unexpected events. Question 2. Which person values spending money on activities rather than on objects? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is A, Chloe. The text says that material possessions often lose their appeal quickly, unlike experiences. Question 3. Which person gets enjoyment from seeing their money increase through careful planning? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B, Liam. The text says, I find the process of watching my savings grow very reassuring. Question 4. Which person worries most about whether their purchases harm the world around them? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is D, Ben. The text says that as a result of his choices, he has a much smaller environmental footprint, which relates to harming the world. Question 5. Which person believes that saving money without investing it is a poor strategy? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C, Maya. The text says, letting money sit in a savings account seems like a wasted opportunity to me. Question 6. Which person is willing to accept the possibility of financial loss for a greater gain? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C, Maya. The text says that while investing is a risk and you have to be prepared to lose from time to time, the potential for growth is greater. Question 7. Which person believes their approach gives them freedom from worry? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B, Liam. The text says having a safety net allows me to live without constant financial anxiety. Question 8. Which person mentions that their attitude has had a positive non-financial benefit on their life? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is D, Ben. The text says that by rejecting consumer culture he has more time and mental energy, which are non-financial benefits. Question 9. Which person prioritizes immediate enjoyment over saving for the future? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is A, Chloe. The text says, I work hard so that I can enjoy my life now, not at some distant point in the future. Question 10. Which person describes their approach to money as a kind of interesting challenge? Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C, Maya. The text says, I see it as a strategic game, and I get a lot of satisfaction from making smart investment decisions. Let's quickly summarize the lesson. On this screen you can review the main points of the text and the key vocabulary. Finally, here are a few discussion questions. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this ESL Lounge video. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.